In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pro account so you can get some extra analytics.
This video is brought to you by ObbyPies Academy.
You click on the bottom right, me, I'm already on that. Then on the top right, you see next to my name, Alex Gnidink. To the top right, there's the kind of the little boxes. Then to the right of that, there's the three dots. You click on the three dots and you go to manage my account. And you go on the very bottom, there's email, password, manage devices, save login info, country, region. Then you switch back to personal account. That's because I already have a pro account. So in your case, you would just click that. It will take you through the steps of verifying your phone number again and a few other steps. And it's actually free to create a pro account because I actually see you already have one. So after that, you have something else that's going to show up in your account. When I go to privacy and settings, you see there's manage my account, privacy and safety, balance, share profile, and analytics. So let's look at analytics. And this is what you're going to get with the pro account. So it will show you things about your followers. It will show you content things about your content that you posted. In this account, I haven't posted any videos yet, so it's a little bit bare. But you want to set up your analytics before you start posting content so that you can get analytics on that content as people start watching it. So you can see like the followers you have. On this account, I have 5. I'm just starting out on this account. It's a basic account. But basically, at least you'll see more things that are happening. So that's it for your pro account.